Let me tell you how they got y'all. Zeus Network. Notice how they pushing Zeus, right? That God Network. How they got that show, The Baddies. Melanated women fighting. Getting drunk off Casamigos, alcohol, spirits, and got melanated women fighting. Zeus Network. Down the line, people gonna realize that they've been bamboozled, going through what you call a menstrual cycle, not knowing they being put on under a spell, dangling money in front of them, and not that money, if I might add, not that much money, if I might add. Zeus Network, baddies, chaos, fighting, feminine energy.